information to the common man. There are induction cookers in the market which are automated, and there are automatic rice and vegetable cookers, but none can match the taste of conventional gas burner. Thus, the initiative is to automate the cooking process without a compromise in taste.
So here is the working of the project. The user gives an input through the keypad of the following parameters. Number one, the number of stages he wants to cook. Number two, the type of flame he wants to have in every stage. And number three, the time he wants the flame to remain in that stage. All these inputs will be given via a keypad, which will be connected to the MSP 430F5529 LP microcontroller. This microcontroller will then display all the details to an LCD and also give out signals to the servo motor, which will rotate the knob. The servo motor will rotate the knob, and the position of the knob will be noted by a potentiometer, which will act as a negative feedback. Over a 360-degree servo motor is being used. Although there is internal negative feedback inside a servo motor, this servo motor is controlled by velocity and not by position. Hence, the use of external feedback was also required. Well, this is the working of our project. The code is now being flashed into the MSP 430F5529, which is the only TI component being used. The other components being a normal 4x4x4 keypad, an MG995 360-degree servo motor, and a couple of potentiometers and gears. The code is being flashed. In this stage, we input the number of stages. In this case, I will be using only one stage. And now it asks for the flame level. Well, the flame level has been incorporated in the bottom, in the four right hand side keys. I will be choosing medium flame. Now it is asking for time for which it will remain in this stage. I will enter 2 minutes. And now the servo motor should rotate. As this is a prototype circuit, the fabricated gear which will rotate the knob is not yet available, so we have only written the code to rotate the servo motor.
This was all about the working and block diagram. Now we shall discuss the product pricing of our gas stove. The product pricing is as follows. The base price of the product would be taken into consideration, the sales cost, advertising cost, and also the shop overheads. The business plan would be as follows. The first step of our business plan would be incorporating automatic gas stove in our own college canteen.
Go.
The second step of our business plan would be incorporating it in Indian households. These are some of the reviews given by our consumers. This one is given by Mr. Chinmay Shete. Automatic gas stove is a nice concept, a thing of the future for home appliances. This group has taken giant leap towards automation, addition of technology such as home automation in all kitchen appliances, and creating a database for appliances. Given by our PCB designer, Mr. Chandrasekhar. It's a very innovative idea. An Android app with it would complete it and reduce a lot of time. Addition of a buzzer on completion of each stage to add spices and condiments would be better. This review is given by our professor, Mrs. Bharti. It is good to know about an automated gas stove, which will be a boon to many working women. This concept is good. Extra safety measures can also be incorporated. This review is given by our college professor again, Mr. Yogesh Pandit. It would be better in case there was a manual override available in case there was user inputs time more than required.